What a peaceful view this morning. Just gorgeous. All the kayakers are out on the lake. I love to come down here. There's a boat when you want to go on a boat cruise. Just gorgeous down here by the docks. Hello again, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivy. If it's your first time, welcome. It's a gorgeous day today, down at one of my favorite spots. I call it by the docks. And yes, I guess it's a dock because they have a boat cruise that stopped by here. And today, I hope you're having a great day and the Lord is blessing you and your family, and that you have some peace and in your lives, and that all is well with you and your family. Today we're going to go into Revelation chapter 4. Listen, hear, and believe the words of the Bible. So we're going to get into the Word. You might hear some noise behind me or around. They're getting preparing the boat for the cruise. I guess they're unloading their equipment or whatever is necessary for the cruise that they're going to go out on today. So please excuse the noise. Still a lovely spot. Revelation chapter 4. After this I looked, and behold, a door was opened in heaven, and the first voice which I heard was as it were of a trumpet talking with me, which said, Come up hither, and I will show thee things which must be hereafter. And immediately I was in the Spirit, and behold, a throne was set in heaven, and one sat upon the throne. And he that sat was to look upon like a jasper and a sardine stone. And there was a rainbow round about the throne, in sight like unto an emerald. And round about the throne were 24 seats. And upon the seat I saw 24 elders sitting, clothed in white raiment. And they had on their heads crowns of gold. And out of the throne proceeded lightnings and thunderings and voices. And there were 7 lamps of fire burning before the throne, which are the 7 spirits of God. And before the throne there was a seat of glass, like unto crystal. And in the midst of the throne and round about the throne were 4 beasts, full of eyes before and behind. And the first beast was like a lion, and the second beast was like a calf, and the third beast had a face as a man, and the fourth beast was like a flying eagle. And the 4 beasts had each of them 6 wings about him, and they were full of eyes within, and they rest not day and night, saying, Holy, 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 Lord God Almighty, which was and is to come. And when those beasts give glory and honor and thanks to him that sat on the throne, who liveth forever and ever, the 24 elders fall down before him that sat on the throne, and worshipped him that liveth forever and ever, and cast their crowns before the throne, saying, Thou art worthy, O Lord, to receive glory and honor and power. And for thou hast created all things, and for thy pleasure they are and were created. There ends reading of Revelation chapter 4. Thanks for staying with me for the reading of the words of Revelation chapter 4. This chapter focuses on the throne of God and the praise, honor, and glory given to God. May the peace of God fill your hearts. Until next time, Ivy out.